What's up, guys? I'm John.
My name is Chris.
And we are the freaking heck, and today we're going to be checking out the next episode of Campfire Cooking in Another World with my absurd skill.
Yeah.
Episode number 5, The Enemy, or is the enemy or hunger? I can read. I can so read. But in saying that, listen, if y'all are new to our channel, smash that sub button. If you've been watching our channel since literally day one and you've thought to yourself, man, I freaking love these dudes. I would love to spend more time with these dudes. Watch them unedited, uncensored, and unfiltered. There's a link to our Patreon in the description below if you guys want to check us out there as well, too. And it's like $1 for you guys to check us out for the entire
whole
freaking month.
month.
But in saying that, let's check this episode out together. Freaking boom! Yes, first try. Abow! I might not be able to read, but I can hit a play button. Oh.
Cobra.
An S-rank monster? Hell yeah.
Thrice.
Thrice in my life.
What is it doing? Oh.
A poisonous fog? Damn. Listen, he's immune to poison.
Yeah. Okay, so he's got the blessing too.
Very true. This is the first time we've seen anybody that's like, maybe a badass, you know? Good grief. They're all going at it? Hell yeah.
That thing stands no chance then.
Not even a little bit.
Just Paul flick the lightning at it.
Skadoosh! Whoa!
Oh, he's blasting through.
Boom. Oh my god!
Good lord.
What a triple threat right there, dude. Look how proud he is back there in the back. Like a dad. Like a proud dad.
Now, or is he gonna like put it in his item box? Oh wait, no, it dissipates.
What a solid 3-hit combo that was, man. That was pretty legit. Well, I don't know if it's gonna actually skip ahead for us, but oh, nice. Going ahead. His little paw. Boof. Tiny baby. Oh my god, the whole thing is
It's
like
a
that.
transportation thing.
Well, that's cool, man. That's real cool.
What'd they do with the snake?
Probably threw it in the little thingy. It was a little eternal freaking.
They do dissipate into parts. I forgot that in the dungeon. Like the enemies, they dissipate into their
yeah.
loot or whatever. Minotaur.
Yeah.
Oh,
And freaking
fat guy.
right. These hulks.
Okay, so it's Hulks. I don't understand how he is so worried every single time.
He really is.
After you've seen what they can do.
They haven't lost that allure, which I think is pretty awesome. Boy. Wow.
A fountain?
Every time I see him with Siri on his head, I'm like, oh my god. And he's like, there are no monsters nearby. And like, just chilling.
Good God.
That soup, dude.
The gigantic pots.
Oh my god. We're making a sick-ass broth there, huh?
Pork soup, Japanese-style hamburger sandwiches, Japanese-style steak sandwiches.
Yeah.
Nice. He's just tearing into him.
Mouthful. Oh yeah, dude. Hell yeah.
Dissolving it proper.
Man, right now is soup season too, by the way. It's like legit, get yourself some good-ass soup season. And then start looking like him, dude.
That must be like the restoration fountain or something.
Yeah. You look so tired, dude. Well, I guess sleep can wait then, huh?
Right?
Let's
He's
stop the
sweating
bleeding.
already.
Oh,
He's like,
God.
what is happening?
Dude, that guy's armor's all messed up too. Dang.
Yeah, he does. I forgot he had those potions that Sui made.
What in the world? What did you think was going to happen? You literally poured it on there. Yep. He's like such a nice dude that people don't really want to mess with him, like in a bad way. Like even if these guys wanting to take advantage of him, like he's disarming, you know?
Yeah.
Dang, they're shaking up, dude.
Dang,
Tempest.
an A rank party.
Oh, so you can pay for it then. Is that what I'm hearing? Oh.
Yeah. That's the rate if you're in a dungeon.
Right? What a kind dude. I'll throw these in too. Nice. What a badass.
Spriggans. I forgot what those are.
Larger than Minotaurs? Oh, damn. Can you imagine going in there thinking only one? You got three, though?
Oh, God. Yeah.
Like, if you have to make a plan for one and then three show up, you're screwed.
Yeah.
He's just staring into the water.
Yeah.
What's he thinking in there, man? I love how confident he is.
He's like, go to sleep.
Ooh, yeah.
Tempest.
I know, right? Isn't that wild? They have a slime as well. Oh, yeah. Dude, they just got all these stat increases.
There they are, the trio.
Oh, but look at all the dudes in the back. Yeah, I want to go in. Hell yeah. I love
They got it. Yup.
Jesus. I don't want to go in there. Everybody's like, let's go it quick. Yeah. Oh, dang.
Okay. I mean, they're your familiars, so
I know. They
kinda-
really, yeah.
They're not interested in them.
No, they don't care at all. They want food and fighting stuff. Yeah.
Yeah.
In a way, he's pretty amazing. What way is that? Flame. It can't be
25th floor.
26th. Dude, the 26th floor looked wild. Praying mantis.
Throwing him off a cliff.
Dang, a freaking chimera.
Gator monster.
Yeah. Seems like a pretty wild couple of floors we just skipped over like crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, so there's 30 floors in this in total? Okay. Wow.
Oh.
Wow.
The desert.
So much sand.
Don't fret over the details. There's a sun. It's fine.
Dude, that's wild. I wish in deserts there were really just big old, like, freaking ribs standing up.
I bet you there are.
That'd be awesome.
You
If there's
go
not,
to,
I'd
like,
be
the
really
deep
disappointed.
deserts.
Whoa, he's just melting.
Oh no, he's evaporating.
What? Poor dude, what the heck? Whoa! Couldn't he just use his thing and build a wall?
Yeah, I feel like he could. He should just get like a giant canopy from the online grocery store and like put it over them while they're riding fell or something.
Mm-hmm.
Man, his tongue's out and everything.
God, you better start getting some waters, dude. Whoa. Oh, they got the snakes, the freaking worms from Dune.
Freaking sandworms.
Yeah, dude. Polecat sweat.
Sunglasses, sun hoodie,
Pocari.
electrolyte drink.
Yeah.
Oh,
Dang, he's just getting a whole thing of Pocari sweat. Dang.
Yeah.
Dude, it does taste a lot like a, I don't know, like if there's a plain Gatorade. Oh my god, they
Nice.
legit have like actual things. You
Extra
can get-
large serving of ice cream.
Hell yeah. Ah, yeah. Dude, those little professor ones? Get at convenience stores? Yeah. He's even in a hoodie. I love it, dude.
I mean, I bet it is. God.
But it's so freaking hot.
They better hurry up and get out of that one.
Right? He's just got the popsicles. Just chilling. He looks so
Oh my
dumb.
god.
That's me on a Tuesday, dude. I'm just chilling out eating popsicles.
Yeah, because at night it's going to be freezing. At least he can kind of smell where the boss is, I guess.
Yeah.
Scorpion monster. Oh, yep.
Whoa.
Just like Dune, like identical.
That is awesome and terrifying all at once.
Yeah, me either.
He can get heaters and everything. That's awesome, dude.
This. Stick on heating pads.
This sweatshirt. Oh, yeah, dude. Oh, I love how enthusiastic he is.
Dang, that's a lot.
Oh, dude. Speaking of which, okay, so that little, hold on. Right there, that little heater gas grill thingy.
Yeah.
I'm thinking about getting one for my house because I want to do like a yakiniku, which is like just thinly sliced beef and stuff like that, and then cooking it with like white rice and stuff in my kitchen. And I don't know if I cook it on that in my kitchen, if it's gonna burn up my entire freaking kitchen, like smoke up the whole place.
I don't know.
Because there in Japan it doesn't, and I don't know why.
Might have to have a window open or something.
Maybe.
It might not though.
Yeah,
Might not.
I'm very curious, but I want to do it, man. So let me know in the comments if anybody out there has done that.
Marion.
Okay.
Soup stock granules. Mushrooms.
Rockbird meat.
Oh.
Udon. Yeah,
I love me
alright.
some
That's what we're
udon.
doing. What?
What is...
He's losing it. Oh, dude, putting some tempura in there? Oh my
Just ruined it for me.
god. With the egg?
No, the freaking shrimp and
Oh, yeah.
fish patties or whatever they are.
Yeah, I definitely would have waited on the udon, put it in there last, where it still kind of got that crispiness.
The heart popping
freaking love
up.
it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love that they showed like different meals for different temperatures.
Dude, if it was still crispy, I'd freaking be there for it.
Good udon is probably one of my favorite noodle types,
Yeah.
especially if they fry it.
Bang. Whoa, dude, that is some seriously awesome betting. My God.
That's crazy. They're all like bundled up.
Gold.
Oh shoot!
He's like, huh?
Ah, so the golem was the boss, I guess. Last floor, right? Dang. Hurry up and get out of that heat.
I know, man. I'd be stuck. Like, I'd be itching to get out of there, man.
Behemoth?
Why does he look like that? That ain't normal. That ain't normal.
It doesn't matter.
Hell yeah. Go mess him up, dude. Whoever strikes first wins.
Bombardier.
Oh, God. That's so awesome, dude. He looks so badass there. Whoa.
Oh, yeah, he's got that hella armor on.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Dang.
Let's see what Fel can do.
His pew-pew didn't work at all.
Oh. Physical and magical? You gotta shoot it in the mouth.
He's just resistant to it, so, like, I'm curious what he... This is the first time we've ever seen Phil hit something and it not just die.
Yeah.
That's wild.
Yeah. Gotta... I mean... Yeah. War of attrition here. Just gotta keep shooting.
Oh, dude, his humps turn different colors, too.
Yeah, it looks like that acid is paying off. Whoa.
Dang, man. Woo! Oh, yeah, he got him in the freaking acid
Pierced him.
spot. Keep it going, fellas.
Oh. Hyper beam.
Whoa!
Good God.
Holy crap. They're all like, what? Oh, wow. Good Lord.
That's just the darkness ray.
Right?
Oh, the ice protected him too. Yeah. Gotta burn off that armor.
Mm-hmm. Light him up, boy. He's so sweet. I'm so happy.
Yeah.
He's making the sound effects. Whoa, he's just
shoot.
bubbling, dude.
That is
Really gross?
kind of gross, yeah. Final flash!
Oh my God. This will finish it. Goosh. That behemoth stood no chance. Or a little bit of chance. Dang, he's still standing?
Okay.
I was about to say, good God, dude.
Damn. What do they get for that then?
Also, what's this we stuff? He's like, we did it. We finished them.
Right? He did.
They is the words I'd use there.
Oh my God.
That's awesome.
Can he lift it? Lightning magic made of adamantite.
Whoa.
Kalatabog?
Mm-hmm.
It respawns while they're eating.
Yeah, right. Whoops. I was about to say, why does he seem so mad right now?
Yeah, you gotta celebrate it.
Mm-hmm.
Fried food party.
Yeah. His face looks so silly.
Yum yum. Okay.
I am so not a fan of tartar sauce, dude.
I don't know if I've ever had it on chicken before.
Yeah.
It's kind of weird to me.
Shuey likes tartar sauce, huh? Ooh.
Ingredients that conquer worlds.
Mm-hmm. Oh, asparagus? Hell yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I'm so proud of you, Sui.
He's always doing that.
I know, right?
Uh-oh.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Hot cake mix.
I'm making funnel cakes? Making kind of funnel cake thing? Oh, wait, no, never mind. Ah.
Corn dogs.
Corn dog, dude.
Oh, my God.
Mm-hmm.
The finishing blow. American corn dogs.
Dude, oh my God. He's gonna eat the steak too. Wow, see. Today's special. Oh,
Yes.
how can you hate on that, man? I look back, I'd be like, yes.
Right. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Dude, second serving came up quick on this one. Dang.
I like it.
12th floor this time.
Mm-hmm.
Aw. Now he has more familiars. For real, though.
Dang. But they're like, if only.
But maybe.
Freaking the Jesus mage. Yeah.
Dang it! Next episode is like forever away from now, by the way. God, season. Oh my God. Also talking about some freaking solo leveling stuff. Can't wait until that's back.
Yeah.
Anyways, awesome show. And I don't know if y'all knew this, but right before we watched this, we just ate the most disgusting freaking food I've ever had in my life, man.
Yeah.
It was fried chicken candy.
Fried chicken candy.
What? We do have a P.O. box, so if anybody ever wants to send us anything.
I wanted it to be good.
Oh, no. I knew that was going to be
But
so bad. I was like, there's
the
no way.
opposite of that.
Whenever I found out it was a hard candy, well, no, I guess before that, because it smelled it, I was like, this is going to be hell. And
Yeah.
then it was a hard candy. I was like,
It's not good at all.
nah. freaking brutal, man. But either way, thank y'all for checking this one out. I think this has really been a cool episode, and especially like being able to see Phil have like a little bit of resistance. Not actually killing
like,
some of the first hit.
It took all three of them working together. I mean,
yeah.
I feel like if it was down to the wire and it was Phil alone, he probably could have figured something out.
Oh yeah.
But like having all three of them there was really cool to see them like, you know, work together to beat it.
I also feel like he kind of wanted them to work like that. Like I think that's what he probably wanted, because him being like, just keep hitting it and eventually everything will add up, you know?
Yeah. Like
kind of like fathering them in
like
a weird
y'all
way,
need to get stronger too now, because what if I'm not here to protect y'all?
Yeah. So I don't know. I really like that aspect of it too, and I feel like this season is kind of giving us more of an actual story as well, instead of just the cooking aspect, and just like them slice of lifing.
Yeah,
but
they've been like making their way through the dungeon and stuff.
Yeah.
But I mean, where do we go from here now?
No, I don't know.
That's the next question.
I don't know. Yeah. But I'm stoked to find out though, man. And also, if they just beat a couple of S-rank bosses, where does that put him now? You know, where's he at? Is he still a B rank?
Oh yeah, like when he comes out and is like, we cleared the whole dungeon,
and here's this awesome sword.
Yeah,
definitely got to be an S rank at that point, I would think, or at least an A rank, right?
At
more
least
than a B.
Say. Yeah,
more than a B.
Yeah.
But either way, thank you all for checking this one out. Again, if you guys do want to support the channel, there's a link to our Patreon in the description below, and we will catch y'all later, freaking toodles.
Later.